We are in the Ford Explorer. We have a rear wing for a Tesla Cybertruck that is very limited production, and we are going to go install it today. My customer has his vehicle here already at this awesome body shop he knows very well in North Vancouver, Soren Auto Body. They seem to be pretty decent folks. We're just going to go in and see what we can do about getting this wing on that Cybertruck. And did I mention it's fully carbon fiber? So that should be interesting in itself. This is probably the only wing I'll ever install for a Waido, but whatever helps anyone else, put in the comments. Let's get to installing this very sweet looking wing. Okay, so we have this piece here. It's mounted in this hole, so it's hidden. And what that is basically you have to take this piece out, this out with some tooling, and then you get to drill into carbon, which is really fun. So what I did was use the mount that we pulled out and then just line it up, because if you do not get that centered, it will not mount properly. So center it, mount it, or drill it out, and then test fit it. And then we'll have to take these two screws off, so then it will open up the inside of here so you can tighten those way down there. So once this is drilled out, you kind of have to slide it in on an angle like that. And then you can go inside. Yeah, so those are the mounting bolts for the roof rack that you have to go in. Should be fun. This is quite a thick boy. That is looking snazzy. We just placed it on. So we've got a couple of nuts here because there are studs in that. We reused the nuts from this other piece here for the bottom. These were mounted inside here. That's basically what this is mounted to. I have to be honest, this is my first Cybertruck to work on. I was sweating bullets. Now that the wing is on, we can start lining everything up and bolt it down. Are you ready to fly?